balancing moral integrity and the technical proficiency. Electrical engineering requires a balance between moral integrity and technical skill. Engineers must navigate ethical challenges while ensuring their work meets industry standard and regulation. Case study as ethical illumination. The case study illustrates the ethical dilemmas faced by electrical engineers, highlighting the importance of upholding professional standards and managing conflict of interest. Problem statement summarizing moral dilemmas. The case study showcased various moral dilemmas in the engineering profession, emphasizing the need to handle complex ethical situations while maintaining integrity. Address concern following a fatal transformer implosion. Critical concern include duty of care, ensuring safety and diligence in engineering practical. Conflict regulation, balancing cost and safety without compromising standard. Adherence to professional standard following industry regulation to prevent incident. The case underscore the vital of ethical decision making in electrical engineering. For objective, analyzing ethical aspect. The primary aim of this technical essay is to dissect the ethic phase of each scenario present in the case study, clarifying ethic requirement. The essay aims to clarify the ethic methods outlined in the Code of Ethics governing the practice of electric engineering. Ethic consideration in electrical engineering. Foundation in ethic value. Electrical engineering ethics are brought in value prioritizing the public interest, safety and welfare. Scenario-based analysis. Each case study scenario represents ethical consideration pertinent of electrical engineering practice. Public safety priority. Priorities public safety after a fatal transformer implosion. Engineer must practical public safety and follow safety standard. Ethical duty. The BEM Code of Ethics requires engineer to protect the public interest with professional skill and judgment. Through investigation, a comprehensive investigation is needed to find the cause of the explosion, reviewing design space, maintenance record, and conduct on-site inspection. Dedication to safety, quickly identifying and fixing safety hazards show the engineer commitment to public safety and compliance with regulation. Case study example. A case study illustrating the consideration of neglecting public safety emphasizes the importance of following ethic duties and safety standards. Question 2. Conflict identification. Conflict of interest. An engineer face a conflict of interest being both a board member of the healthcare provider and a principal in engineering firm. Electrical competition. Engineer must manage conflict openly and impartially following law and ethics principle. Code of conduct. Code 5 of BAM Code requirement honorable behavior and avoiding situation where personal interest affect professional judgment. Consequence of mismanagement. Mismanagement conflict can lead to disciplinary action as shown by a board of engineer review case. Resolution strategy. The engineer should disclose interest and appetite from decision involving both regular, ensuring transparency and professional integrity.
Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. Based on my case study on question 3, the electrical engineer face conflict between their team and the constructor staff, which is slowing down the project. They prioritize communication and resolution, guided by ethical duty outlined in the BM Code of Professional Conduct. Cooperation is crucial for success, as shown by the real project example. Their action plan involves involve promotion, open discussion, clear communication, and teamwork to maintain a positive work environment and uphold ethical standards. Based on my case study on question 4, the engineer discovered poor quality work on a rural electrification project, which raised concern about professionalism and integrity. Prioritizing professional standards, they promptly take action to fix the issue and ensure compliance with regulation, emphasizing professionalism, competence, and honesty. Learn from ethical case, they understand the importance of maintaining this standard to avoid disciplinary action to protect their professional reputation. They address the flaw, communicate concern, implement corrective measure to uphold the engineering professionalism, reputation, and safeguard the public interest. For my observation for case study question 5, in this scenario, the engineer faced the responsibility of fix damage caused by poor work on the sustained building, stressing the importance of public safety and ethical duty. They carefully assess the damage, fix the root cause, and work with others to create a plan to fix it. Real-life examples show the consequence of ignoring such damage, reinforcing the engineer's dedication to quick and efficient solution. By acting properly and effectively, the engineers show they care about public safety and the reputation of their professionalism. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
For case study number 6, in managing conflict of interest, transparency and integrity are key. Engineers should establish clear policies for disclosing conflict and withdrawing from decision making to ensure objectivity. Ethical review case highlight the importance of transparency and impartiality in maintaining professional reputation. By prioritizing this value, engineers effectively manage conflict of interest, preserving the honor and reputation of their profession. This approach not only uphold ethical standards but also strengthen public trust in engineering practice. Next, for case study number 7, in managing project change, it's crucial to honor existing contracts and prioritize professionalism and transparency. By resolving conflicts through direct communication and mutual respect, engineer can prevent unnecessary dispute and maintain project integrity. Real-world case highlight the pitfalls of unilateral decision, underscoring the need for professionalism and integrity. With open communication and accountability, engineers can complete projects successfully while upholding ethical standards and preserving their professional reputation. For the last one, case study number 8, when taking over a project, the engineer prioritizes professionalism, evaluate existing plans, and communicate openly with the client. Learning from ethical review cases, the engineer uphold professional standards and maintain integrity in project management. By setting clear project plans, deadlines, and milestones, and ensuring open communication, the engineer aims to prevent delays and disputes. Through accountability and transparency, the engineer demonstrates a commitment to ethical norms and preserve the honor and reputation of the profession. For the conclusion, electrical engineers face numerous ethical challenges, including duty of care, conflict of interest, and maintaining professional standards. By abiding by law and regulation such as BEM Code of Ethics, OSHA and REA, engineer, ensure public safety and uphold professional integrity. Ethical reflection and action are crucial in addressing this challenge, emphasizing professionalism, integrity and transparency. Compliance with ethical standard and regulation enable engineers to promote the engineering profession and benefit society while maintaining accountability and upholding the dignity of their profession.